With the 2D graphics object, room dimensioning, you can automatically insert the room measurements in just one go. If you move to a room, the program highlights the room by coloring its perimeter in orange. With one simple click, we can confirm the room selection, which will be automatically dimensioned. These are internal, which is the option for inserting the internal measurements of our room, perpendicular, parallel, dimension all, and update all. The perpendicular option allows us to insert a dimension line perpendicular to the selected side. Getting the cursor closer to the building envelope entity, this is highlighted and the measurement identified with a dotted line. A simple click inserts the measurement. In the same way, we can continue to insert a parallel measurement. This time the measurement will be parallel to the highlighted side. With Dimension all defined rooms and relating zones in our project are dimensioned automatically. The Upgrade All option allows us to update all of the inserted measurements due to any changes made to our project. Selecting the measurement, we can continue with the command options, adding more measurement points, but also dimension objects, add measurements to the selected object by the selection line, and with the last option, which is profile, we can insert measurements for objects that are crossed by the selection rectangle.